It's a respite in the last days of the dry season, but salvation is on the horizon. Transformation is at hand. The sky begins to bruise as storm clouds cover the pride's territory. Wildebeest follow rain clouds in anticipation of new green shoots. Relief at last. The herd's front runners arrive in the lion's territory. The adolescent males, the bachelors-to-be, are tolerated by the new pride males, but they'll soon be forced to find their own pride. The invader males are now fully integrated into the pride. One savors the rich pickings to come. The other does what a lion does most of all. It's the start of the wet season overabundance, and just as well, as there are now more mouths to feed. In a secluded acacia scrub, our lead lioness gives birth to the new male's offspring, 3.5 months after conception. She seeks seclusion at this time to minimize the risk to her newborns. Her cubs are born totally helpless, and it can take 11 days for their eyes to open. These cubs are lucky. They will have no other cubs in competition for milk when they're old enough to join the pride. But to get sustenance, they have to find their mother's teat. The oncoming herds of wanderers are now pouring into the pride's territory. The lines are spoiled for choice. Pride males rarely hunt for themselves. With their manes, they are far too conspicuous to potential prey. Their main function is to defend the pride against rival bachelors. The numbers of the arriving herds are astonishing, but that number is about to swell.